Hello everyone, this is Avijit here and welcome back to my channel Crafting with Avijit. Today I will show you to make this tricolor badge. At first, take a 5 into 5 cm craft paper and cut a heart shape. Make 11 more like this. Make 4 for each colors. Next, take a 7 cm diameter circle and paste all the hearts on it. Now take a 4 cm diameter circle and draw a chakra on it with any blue pen. And attach this on the badge. At last, take 3 pieces of tricolor paper strips and also attach them on the back side of it. And cut the edges like that. Now this is ready. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.